So students, in our last class we have discussed up to smallest 7-digit number and smallest greatest 7-digit number. In your page number we have discussed up to this 68 page. Today we will start with 69, page number 69. In your last class we have learnt up to smallest 7-digit number and greatest 7-digit number, how we will represent them and what is the number names of that we have discussed. In today's class we will learn the next topic. Okay, this chapter is large numbers. In that, here first topic is some more 6 and 7 digit numbers. 6 and 7 digit numbers. Okay, so let's see them. So first, what is the example? We have to look at this example. What is that one? Write the numbers in words. Write the numbers in words. Okay, write the numbers in words. First one, 2 1 5 2 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 digit number. This is a 6 digit number. What do we call this? 2,51,267. You have to write this in word form. What is that? How we will write? 2 lakhs. In word form, no number should be involved. 2 lakhs 15,000 267. 2 lakh 15,267. This is the number. We have written this in word form. So what is the next number? What is the next one? In this example only, 4 3 2 5 3 1 5. This is 43 lakh 25,315. 43 lakhs 25,000 315. Okay, this is the number name. So if you are going to divide this, you can easily know 43 lakh 25,315. Okay, next one. So there is a point to remember. This is a remember. What is that? 1 crore means 1. How many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, this number is the smallest 8-digit number. And what is this number is called? This number is called 1 crore. Okay, this number is called 1 crore. This 1 crore is the smallest 8-digit number, because from this number only your 8 digit numbers are going to start. Before that you are going to have only 7 digit numbers only, but from 1 crore only you are going to start 8 digit numbers. Okay, how many zeros it has? So see this one, 1 crore, no? Okay, up to here hundreds, this is thousands, this is lakhs, this is crores. How many? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakhs place, 10 lakhs place, this is crores. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 crore has 7 zeros. Okay, 7 zeros. And what is this? How many digits are there in 1 crore? 8 digits. Okay, next one. Next example is write the number in figures. Write the number in figures. Okay, what is the first number? 6 lakh 3,000 422. This is the number. You have to write this in number form. Means you have to write what is this number. This is the word form. You have to write in number form. He said 6 lakh. Means after lakhs what you will get? 1000. How many thousand? 6 lakh 3,000. Means in 10,000's place it is 0. This is 3,000. 422. 6 lakh in 10,000's place 0. There is no number in 10,000's place. In thousands place it is 3. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000's place, lakhs place. Okay? 6 lakhs in 10,000's place nothing is there. 3,422. This is the number. Okay? Next one. What is the next one? $25 lakh 85,000 620. Okay, 25 lakh 85,000 620. See, divide them into places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay, 25 lakh 85,620. This is the number form. Okay, for your understanding I am saying it very clearly. Okay, so in the red color box beside the exam, in the pink color box he has given write the numbers in word form, in words. In the box he has given write the number in words. Which number? It is beside the example. This one, this pink color box, we have to see what you have to do now. Okay, write the number in words. What is that number? 50, not 5 lakh 64,242. This you have to write in number, means 5. So if you are not able to understand how many are there here, just see. This is in ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakhs place. No, 5 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 5 lakh 64,000 242. Five lakh 64,242. See, 5 lakhs 64,000. This is in thousands place. 242. This is the number. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a 6-digit number. Next one. Next one is, he has given 10 lakhs is how much? 10 means 10 into 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs means this is the 10 lakhs. So here how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into 10 means you will get one more zero, no? If you are multiplying these two, one more zero will add to the previous number. Here how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros are there, no? If you are multiplying into 10, you are going to get a 7 zeros. Means this is a 7-digit number. Means in this you are having 6 zeros only. After multiplying with 10, you will get a 8-digit number with 7 zeros. Let's multiply. Into 10. 0 zeros are 0. 0 zeros are 0. 0 into 0, 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 0 into 1, 0. Next one. 1 into 0, you have to start from here only. 1 into 0, 0. 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 1 ones are 1. Add this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? This is a 8-digit number, and how many zeros are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? But what you have to do? This number is called 1 crore. This number is what? 1 crore. So, in the dash you have to write 1 crore. 10 lakhs means 1 crore. Okay? Next one. Using an abacus. Let us now represent large numbers on an abacus. Okay? Using an abacus. Let us now represent large numbers on an abacus. Let us now represent large numbers on an abacus. Okay. So first number, first what he has given an abacus. How many rods are there in that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rods. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means ones place, tens place, hundreds place, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay. In ones rod, how many beads are there? 2 beads. Okay. In tens rod, how many beads are there? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 2 beads, here 4 beads. Okay. In hundreds rod, 2 beads. Okay. In thousands rod, 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. In 10,000 rod, 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. Here these bottom numbers will show how many beads are there in that particular rod. Here 3 beads means 3. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In thousands rod, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5. 2. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 2. These bottom numbers will show the number of beads in that rod. Okay. In lakhs, how many beads are there? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay. Now let us see what is this number. See, starting from right, from lakhs, from highest one, 4 lakhs. 4 lakh. This both are thousands, 10,000s and thousands. No, have to write in 10,000s place. Which one is there? How many beads are there? 3. Okay, 3. In thousands rod, 5. 5 beads are there. Okay, in thousands rod, 5 beads. In 10,000s rod, 3 beads. In lakhs rod, 4 beads. Means 4 lakhs. Here in 10,000s place, 3. In thousands place, 5. In hundreds place, 2. In tens place, 4. In ones place, 2. Okay. Once again see. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. In lakhs place, in lakhs rod, how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, right? 4. 4 number. Okay. How many beads are there? That many number. Here 4 are there, no? That number you have to write. So 4 beads are there. So you should write 4 in lakhs place. Here 3 beads are there, no? In 10,000s place, write 3. This will indicate the number of beads in each rod. 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beads in which rod? Lakhs rod. 4 lakhs. Okay. 3 beads in which rod? 10,000s rod. 3. Okay. 5 beads in which rod? Thousands rod. 5 in thousands place. 2 beads in which rod? Hundreds rod. 2 in hundreds place. Okay. 4 beads in which rod? Tens rod. 4. 2 beads in ones rod. This is 2. So you have to look at the number. What is this number? 4,35,242. Each digit represents the number of beads in that rod. Okay. Like that you have to do. So what is this number? In words. In words, 4,35,242. Okay. This is the word form of this number. By seeing the abacus only, you should directly write. You should able to write. Okay. What I said, once again I am repeating. So there are 6 rods in the abacus. each rod is having some number of beads. So in one rod we are having 2 beads. Here 1 2, so we are writing 2 here. In 10th rod 4 beads, so 4. This all bottom numbers will represent the number of beads in the particular rod. Next, in 100th rod 2 beads are there, so 2. In 1000th rod 1 2 3 4 5 5. In 10,000th rod 1 2 3 3. In lakhs rod 1 2 3 4 4. So directly 2 are there, no? You should write 2. Here 4. Here 2. Here 5. Here 3. Here 4. What is this number? You can write here also directly, but for your explanation I have written here. What is this number? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 means ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. So what is this number? 4,35,242. Okay, that's all. Just beside you have to write the number below the abacus only. Number of bits you should count and write. After that you should count the digits and you have to write the number in words form. That's all. Next one it will be very clear. Okay, just now I have explained. Now next one it will be very clear. Next one is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 rods are there in the abacus. Seven rods, 2 3 4 5. This is 6 and this one is 7. Okay, this is a 7 rod abacus. Means ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. This is 10,000s place, this is lakhs place, this is 10 lakhs place. Okay, this is how you have to do. So in ones place 3 beads. In tens place 4 beads. 1 2 3 4. In hundreds place 2. In thousands place 5. 1 2 3 4 5. In 10,000s place 3. 1 2 3. In lakhs place 1. In 10 lakhs place 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so if you want the number, just write the number of beads below the rod. Here in ones place 1 2 3. In ones rod 1 2 3 3 beads. In tens rod 1 2 3 4 4 beads. In hundreds rod 2 beads. In thousands rod 1 2 3 4 5 5 beads. In 10,000s rod 1 2 3 3 beads. In lakhs rod 1 bead. In 10 lakhs rod 9 beads. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So how many digits? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 digit number. This is ones place, this is tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakhs place, 10 lakhs place. Okay, means this is 91 lakh 35,243 is the number. Yes, you have to, if you want, you can separate the numbers in Indian form. Just for your example I am saying. So this is here 90 lakhs, no, 10 lakhs. Each bead is 10 lakhs. So this is 9 into 10, 90 lakhs plus 1 lakh, 91 lakh 35,243 is the number. Okay, so if you want to write that number in words form, what is the number? 91 lakh 35,400 243, no? That's all. 91 lakh 35,000. If you want, you can check once again. Ones place, tens place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakhs place. Sorry, 1 second. Ones, tens, hundreds. This is thousands. This is 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay. 91 lakh 35,243. If you want to write in word form, 91 lakh 35,000 243. This is the number. Just count the number of bits in that rod, write it below, then you have to write the number in word form. That's all.